Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to drag it to the top right corner. And as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to use it overlay the other one, just click on the other app and operate in both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on this little icon over here at the bottom left corner to make it full sized. Then you need to click home button, but you can also just close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!